Compassion, courage. Chapter 7, Promise of Victory, Hope for the Faithful. Hear this final assurance. The story does not end with despair. The Lord Almighty is sovereign. The apocalypse, as terrifying as its imagery can be, culminates in restoration, judgment rightly done, and the triumph of righteousness. If you stand with the Lord, you are promised victory, not always in the way you expect, but in ultimate deliverance. Do not be stunned into passivity. Rise into action. Love fiercely. Pray persistently. Serve humbly. Fight like an angel, with authority, with compassion, with discipline, with faith. Your endurance will be the seed of future generations' freedom. The Lord sees every tear and will repay every righteous act. Hold to this hope like a shield. If this message stirred your heart, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, give this video a like, leave a comment to share your testimony or prayer request, and share this video with those who need strength and awakening.